Okay, that's fair enough.
Yeah,
But
sorry
you've got to appreciate the wider audience.
100%, yeah.
And I'm only one person. I've walked over here.
Yeah,
Very fame.
Where those far trees are, that's where I live. And I'm thinking, I'm watching television, I'm thinking, what's going on? It's been going on for over an hour.
Yeah. We're nearly done, that's the thing.
Okay.
Sorry to disturb you.
No, I appreciate your work. Brilliant. The bikes are great.
Yeah, alright, aren't they?
They're nice.
You wanna go?
So what's the no, thank you. Wouldn't trust me my mobility at the moment.
Yeah.
So what's it like on a YouTube platform or
You'll be on Instagram.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And what you?
So I might see it.
Yeah, I'm on Instagram.
Oh, is it? Alright, check it
Yeah,
out.
might have something
Pass
on
down.
Instagram. Right. So what's your platform name?
Pass down. Pastdo.